Howdy, we're here to talk about Texas Penal Code 7.23. It has a much longer name, but this shorter name, I think, gets the point across. It's individuals' liability for the acts of a business. And it's got three subsections, A, B, and C. And A and B basically say if you do something in the name of the business, then it's going to be considered your act, not the business's act. And then section C is the part that is really important. If an individual is convicted of conduct constituting an offense performed in the name of or on behalf of a corporation, an association, a limited liability company, or another business entity, the individual is subject to the sentence authorized by law for an individual convicted of the offense. So it basically means you cannot use a corporation as a shield for actions against, so in criminal liability. So for example, I own my law firm, right? We're a PLLC. And if I buy something through the law firm that, is illegal or something like that, then I would still be liable. The first case that really looked at this was from 1979. It's Littlefield versus State. And it says, in that case, basically a person leased an automobile through a company called Littlefield Enterprises and then really did not pay for that. And so it was a theft of services. He pled guilty to 2 counts of theft of service. He got his probation revoked, and then he tried to appeal that the sentences were illegal from the beginning. The Court of Criminal Appeals decided that they found the appellant was properly charged with the conduct performed in the name of Littlefield Enterprises Incorporated. He was part of that company. He acted on behalf of the company, and he committed the offense when he leased this stuff with no intention of really paying for it. So the court said that that's going to count. That's what this statute was designed to do, is prevent the shielding of liability. The next case we're going to look at is Johnson versus State. It was sent all the way up to the Court of Criminal Appeals. They reversed the judgment of the appellate court, not the highest court, the Court of Criminal Appeals, but the lower appellate court. Also different from the trial court, which is all the way where the jury trial would have happened. But in any case, in the concurrence, they mention 723 because the appellate court, the lower court, said that they would have found the appellant guilty in this case because he acted on behalf of the corporation. But there's no way to just create liability and attribute it to somebody. What 723 is saying, and this is a case from 2018, so you don't have to cite an old case from 1979. The Court of Criminal Appeals is saying that Section 723A simply prevents defendants from insulating themselves from that liability for offenses that they personally commit by hiding behind the veil of a corporate entity. And, I've been saying liability in this video, but really it's guilt. Liability is a term that you use in civil law. Guilty or guilt is a term that you use in criminal law. And this part of the penal code says just because you owned a business and did it in the business name doesn't mean we're not going to prosecute you individually. That's what the prosecutors will say. This doesn't really come up a whole lot. It's pretty much accepted now. There's not a whole lot of fighting on these points. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked what you saw. Leave a comment down below if you've got an idea for a video you want to see us do. And if you have a real legal trouble, make sure to call a lawyer. These videos are just for educational purposes, but thanks for watching.